Hello there. There's a promise of something a little bit warmer for all of us towards the end of the week, but it's going to be a short-lived warm snap as cooler, wetter conditions return for many northern western areas over the weekend.
Retail sales slowed in July as the wet weather dampened demand for summer clothing. The British Retail Consortium says total sales across the UK grew by 1.5% last month, compared with 2.3% in July last year. We're all trying to find some sunshine, Carol, and there was a bit of it around yesterday, as promised.
That's right, Rachel, there was, and some of us will see more of it today. In fact, over the next few days, it's actually going to turn that bit warmer, but it will be fairly short-lived. What we have for today and for some of us for tomorrow is a little bit of rain. Nothing particularly heavy. It's going to be light and patchy. There'll be some drizzle with it. And we're also looking at some mist and fog, particularly so around the coasts and the hills. So then on Friday, temperatures start to dip once again. I did say we're short-lived.
It's a little roller coaster with the weather at the moment, isn't it?
It certainly is.
Thank you, Carol.
Some of us are off to a beautiful start. As you can see from our Weather Watchers picture here, taken earlier in Gwynedd in Wales. Now, if you're just stepping out, it's not a particularly cold start to the day for most of us. These are the temperatures that will greet you. In Aldergrove in Northern Ireland, it's 9 degrees. Kirkwall in the Northern Isles, it's 11. But in St Mary's in the Isles of Scilly, it's already 16 degrees. It's after that we start to see a bit of a change. The end of the week, certainly for Thursday and Friday, we're looking at drier and warmer conditions for a time, because during Friday we've got a weather front crossing us and that's going to introduce some fresher conditions. So we're pulling in all this mild or warm air from the near continent. These are the kind of temperatures that you can expect, so widely into the mid-20s. But then it all gets ruined by a weather front coming in from the west, a cold front that's going to introduce some fresher conditions behind it, and also some rain or indeed some showers for some.
That's more like it.
It's goggles rather than sunglasses by Friday. Carol, thank you very much indeed. You know, Carol gets beautiful pictures from all over the UK from you every morning that just encapsulate what the morning's weather is like. Well, this morning, she's got a cracker. I think that's how you say it.
It is. It's beautiful. I'm looking at the sky, of course, John. I don't
I'm
know
not
you're
looking at the sky, Carol.
Yes, but I didn't notice that when I pulled it in, unfortunately. But it is lovely, though, isn't it? This is actually one of our Weather Watchers pictures, taken a wee bit earlier in John O'Groats in the Highlands. Now, we've got some blue skies here, but there's some showers not too far away from John O'Groats, actually. Rachel mentioned a return to summer. Well, on Wednesday and Thursday, it's looking like it is going to warm up. It's going to be that bit drier, but it's not going to last terribly long. What we have at the moment are some murky conditions. You can see this Weather Watchers picture taken earlier in Milford Haven. A lot of low cloud. There's coastal mist and fog around, as well as in the hills too. And it's all courtesy of this clutch of fronts, which is drifting eastwards.